Y'all ready for this? I'm Turbo the Tech Nerd, and welcome to video content creation. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you the simple way to set up your Rodecaster Pro. Here's the instructions. Let's start with instruction number 1. Throw that crap away or you're not going to get anywhere with your Rodecaster Pro.
Connect XLR cable to mic 1. Connect the other end of the XLR cable to your microphone. Plug in your headphones to jack 1. Plug in the USB-C cable for later use. Plug in and tighten the power supply cable. Turn down all sliders and volume knobs. Insert your micro SD card. Press the power button. Mute all channels except channel 1. Press mic 1 button. Choose your correct microphone according to the manual. Press back, then select level. Bring levels to the top of the green highlighted area. Put on your headphones and adjust the volume slider to a comfortable level. Press record to start and stop.
Time to click that notification bell and subscribe so you can see the next video in this series.